Welcome to the Zyng ATM video tutorial presented by Zyng Technologies. Today we'll be discussing the feature Get Cash. To begin, select one of the 5 options displayed on the screen. To withdraw cash from your account, select the ATM option. Then insert your debit card. Once your debit card is inserted, use the keypad to enter your PIN number and then press Enter. Once completed, select Yes when asked for a receipt. Then, select the Get Cash option on the screen. You will then select the account you want to withdraw cash from, checking, credit card, or savings. Once your selection is made, wait a few moments for the machine to process your request. Accept the surcharge fee by clicking Yes to continue. After, select the amount you would like to withdraw from your account or select Other to pick an amount that is not displayed as an option. Once your selection is made, wait a few moments for the machine to process your request. You may now remove your card. A message will be displayed to inform you when to remove your cash. Please take your cash and your receipt to conclude the transaction. Thank you for watching!